Hi everyone! Happy lovely new year! You're here, you made it! It's the year of the horse, the year of one. 2026 in numerology is the year of one. Like the Greek song that won in Eurovision. You are the one, you're my number one, the only treasure I've ever had. So, remember that, look yourself in the mirror and say that to yourself today in the eyes, because that's how you awaken your soul. And I want to talk about some spiritual awakening insights today. When you have this immense power in yourself that's called creativity, and it's the power that positively changes the whole world, the whole reality, and you have that in you. And it's called sometimes intuition, it's called sometimes impulse. Go and do something, not anything. I don't tell you to just, when you wake up and you have that power roar like a lion roaring inside you and you want to do something. That's your creative power. That's the life or energy. That's the power that can positively change everything in the world. Use it. It's spirituality, it's positive energy, it's something that you can do art with. It's the miraculous energy that all have used, people from all over the globe have used also to create the miracles, the huge masterpieces. When you think of something that you really like, either in art or in technology or a famous person that you really like, this is the life force, the life power actually, and you can use it in creative ways, to do art, to play a song, to positively change something in your life, in your personal development, because there are some people that, actually many people that doing nothing with it. They're trying to suppress it or to impress it or to do something just to show off. You see me, I don't care of how beautiful I can look. I could wear makeup, but I just woke up. I have this intuition and I want to share it with you because this can positively change the world. You have that power inside you also, and it's the creativity, and you need to use this power for the highest good of all. For you, your brothers, your sisters, your family, your whole world, your entire reality. And it can positively change the planet. If there is something that is terrifying you, look at why, and just stop the fear, okay? Inside your mind, stop the matrix actually from playing, the programming of television, of negative limiting beliefs of others, of the historical past. The past is gone, the past is gone, the horror is gone. Stop creating horror inside you, and the worldwide peace will glow again. And this is the huge blessing that I can give you today, worldwide peace. My name is Peace. Irini in Greek means peace. So this is the number one most precious being in the entire world. We need to keep the peace alive and to embrace it and to worship it globally, all over the globe, and inside each and every one, inside you too. So when you have a feeling, it's creative. Don't smash it, don't try to impress it, don't judge it, don't name it as anger, or some people don't know what to do with it and they just cry, or they watch porn. That's not good for the soul. This has to stop. Imagine the best, purest world, the most peaceful, healthy, joyful happiness for new life, new world, new era of all being peaceful, healthy, joyful, healthy at all levels of being, not just emotional healing, also brain, mental healing, to remove the negative thoughts, to have only positive thoughts and increase the positive energy. So energetic healing also, that's the highest positive frequency of golden holy light. The spiritual also, to purify it, to have angelic, pure, golden white light, and to continue breathing in it. That's how darkness goes away. The darkness was the pornography, was the limiting beliefs, the anger, the things that were making people fighting, that in the increased level was the war. So that what you need to smash first of all is inside you. Each and everyone needs to smash that, let it go, let go of the darkness and go away from the darkness. Imagine it as something like a cloud and put there anything negative, all the pornography, the toxic emotions, toxic people, toxic living, toxic poverty, toxic anger, toxic foods, nutrition, the refined sugar, the genetically modified foods, all these that are not good for the best health in all levels of being, as we said, physical, emotional, mental, energetic and spiritual, all the 5 levels of health. Imagine it as the 5 fingers of your palm. Physical is just a little finger, then it's the emotional health, then it's the mental health, then it's the energetic health, and then it's the spiritual highest golden white light, which is the highest good power of all and the highest good positive frequency. And that's through kindness. When you think of power, just forget about the mistakes of the past, forgive actually, and let it go and start new in the white pure light, love, truth, peaceful, healthy, joyful, happinessful light. Okay? That's how you live a best life, the best life, and your frequency is higher than ever before, and you can have better health in all areas of your being, better relationships also, peaceful, joyful, happy, purposeful for the highest good also, increase and raise the forgiveness, the positive psychology, the light, the love, the peace, the health, the joy in the world for you and the others. And that's how you can do better job also. What you want to do, you want to positively create in life in this world, but be positive. Think always, is it for the highest good of all? Is it pure? Does it raise the positive vibration, the positive frequency, the peace, the health and joy of all and all levels of being healthy, not just emotionally, not just spiritually, not just mentally, but all levels, physically, emotionally, mentally, energetically, and spiritually. All 5 levels of being. So think of that before you try to create something, and when it ticks the boxes, just go for it and call the Holy Spirit, God Jesus Christ, and pure white love and light to help you, and they will guide you. We all have angels, guides, spiritual guides that lead us to the best for us and for the world. So imagine a pure white light purifying you right now, all over your being, all around you, and inside you, and inside your heart, and inside your soul. And that's purifying you, cleansing you, healing what needs to be healed. You let go of any limiting beliefs, any negative thoughts are dissolved, and you have only positive, good blessings, because positive thoughts are good blessings. It comes from the word eυλογία, blessing, which is good, logos, which is logic, it's Greek, and it's the holy good blessing. So make your word, each sentence you are speaking out of your mouth, a word of Holy Spirit, love, light, truth, peaceful, healthy, joyful, happiness, and positively impactful, that raises the positive psychology of everyone. So remember that when you have that impulse, don't name it, and if you name it as negative, actually you can transform it there is also Archangel Metatron. In Greek, metatrepo means transform, positively change. So that is a misconception that have many people about Archangel Metatron, but it's actually the positive transformation. So negative, positive. Limiting beliefs, blessing. Someone you thought was attacking you, it's for the highest good. And use it as the highest good, most peaceful, healthy, joyful, happinessful, joyful blessing for all. And stop judging others. Stop judging. Only Jesus Christ is the judge, the highest King of the kings, okay? There is no king on earth that is above Jesus Christ, is the King of the kings and the leader of leaders. So try to remember that. And let's see what else. Forgiveness. Forgive and you will be forgiven. Yes. So I hope you have a lovely, good, blessed day. My name is Irene. If you need personalized coaching, I'm offering counseling and coaching, one-to-one and group coaching online. You can message me. I put my email on the description and you will have the most blissful, peaceful, healthy, joyful, happinessful year and life for the better, the best in all areas of your being. Not only emotionally, not only mentally, not only body, like emotional and physical health, but also all areas of being, spiritual and energetic health too. Have a good, blissful day.